Do you accept any Bitcoin?
I accept when I'm given chance and educated them about Bitcoin.
This video is sponsored by Foundation Devices. You can become a sovereign individual with the Passport hardware wallet and Envoy mobile app. Use the code RUNWITHBITCOIN to learn more about Passport and Envoy. Jebaleko. His phone works, he's got a wallet. Ta-da! Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin. Hi, good morning. What's up? Today is day 208 and I'm off to Jinja. I started my journey by visiting the Ministry of Finance, and post that got myself a matatu and it was 2 hours to Jinja, which is where the source of Nile is. I found myself a couch surfer and let's see how it goes. The matatu just cost 10,000, that's like almost $3. Let's seize the day. Alright, so we are at the source of the Nile. This is the biggest thing here in Uganda. And this is from the Nile starts. Let's go.
Even if I close my eyes, I can step down.
Yeah, okay. Do it.
So much.
Yeah. He taught me corruption. Yeah. I'm good, brother. How are you? From there?
Yeah.
Nice. So that's the source of Nile, that little island. It's pretty awesome. Brother, do you have any Bitcoin?
No, I don't have Bitcoin.
But will you get some?
Of course, yes.
They don't do one bag.
Hey man, this is my host. This is couch surfing right here in the city of Jinja.
Huh?
And thanks to couch surfing, we are connected.
Yeah.
How long it's been in couch surfing?
10 years old.
Legends. Same here, it's been 10 years for me too.
Yeah, sure. Nice to meet you.
Vebale. Yeah.
I just more.
Wow, this is the temple here. Wow, what are you saying, man? Okay, so there's a football game happening right up there.
Yeah, there's
And I just wanted to climb and see, like, why can't I climb?
No, you can't climb because you've not paid to enter there.
But
it's a stadium.
I'll just see for 5 minutes.
No, you cannot. We have to go at the entrance and enter from there.
What will happen if I climb?
No, they will arrest you. Come on.
Why?
They'll arrest you.
This is my couch. This is how it happens here. My host has a little store. Check this out. Here. What up, man? Ta-da! I got some bagya.
Hi. Hello.
How are you?
We are fine.
Jebaleko.
Hey.
So have you guys heard about Bitcoin? Alright, hi, this is day 209, I guess. I'm in a town called, what is this town? Eganga. He's a teacher. He's a teacher, he teaches vocational training about making furniture, welding and so on. So we'll come shoemaking, and we're gonna go meet his family first, and then we'll come down meet the kids. And yeah, this is the swag. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is the kid one.
That's Anna.
And that is one more. Benja. Alright, this is Run with Bitcoin continuing in Uganda. Whoops. Nice. You make shoes. Hey man, how are you? Jebaleko. Good to see you, Samuel. So what is this shop, man?
We are shoemakers. We specialized in leather production. We make belts, shoes, crafts, and others, bags, from leather products, from leather materials.
Okay, what is the name of this town?
It is called Igang.
Okay, and since when are you making this?
I've been making this for 4 years now.
How did you get into this business?
I went to my friend's home in Kampala, so they introduced me to shoemaking. So I began up and I admired the career, and I began up with the career.
Okay, so this is your own shop,
Yeah.
and do you accept any Bitcoin?
I accept when I'm given chance and educated them about Bitcoin.
Okay, but if I give you some Bitcoin today, will you accept it and give me a shoe?
It is okay. It is okay.
Nice. You see, there is no data or there is no smartphone.
Data is very expensive here.
Data is very
That
expensive.
is very expensive here.
His phone works, he's got a wallet. Ta-da! Done. Look at your phone. Paid. I paid him. Okay, you. Received. Whoa. Okay, pay. Received. Wow. You have some Bitcoin.
Payment received.
So I've shared the Bitcoin standard with them and they will get more knowledge, and you have to learn, read about it, and you'll get more knowledge. And save that Bitcoin, don't sell it, whatever happens.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, Bebale. Yeah, why, what do you want?
Cash.
Why you want cash?
Cash, because I understand the language of cash.
You only understand cash.
Cash language.
But cash is very bad.
Why is
How?
it bad?
How is it bad?
It is inflation. Every time your cash is losing money.
Bitcoin now, where am I going to get that money right
Your
now?
Bitcoin is going up and up.
But it also, that's inflation too.
Yeah, so
It
inflation.
goes up and goes down.
No, but hey. Okay, so you have to tell me, what do you do here?
No, here we are just doing a welding workshop.
Like, how do you teach them? How many kids do you have?
All these are kids here doing welding. Some are there. See them right there.
How many total?
They're almost 50. He doesn't want to be in your camera.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What's up? This is it. These guys are here welding. They learned welding, making doors with Noah. And these guys are like cocktails by Jojo. Will they accept Bitcoin? So this is a local food here. I'll tell you what it is. This is matoke, that's banana, cassava, rice, ugali. You eat it.
Greens.
Fish. This is me saying goodbye to the family. Bye guys. Bye. Take care. That was nice chilling with them. Have fun. And see you next time. And read about Bitcoin, read books, and just enjoy. Alright? Thank you, man. They have really hosted me in this wonderful house. Look at this one sleeping. Hey, bye. Okay. Awesome. Bye, guys.
Okay.
Ciao.
Even when we shouldn't.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Ciao. Thank you. On a road, waiting for someone to take me.